So, hello English learners, hope you all are fine, and today we are going to talk about the extempore. Okay, so let's talk about the extempore. If you are new, like you don't know about anything about the extempore, I'm going to explain everything, and if you know, it's well done. So, extempore is simply means like speaking without preparation. Like you are not aware about the topic, you don't have any notes, and you haven't read about this topic, but you have to just speak on the spot. This is called extempore. Okay, now you got what is the meaning of extempore. Speak on the spot. We speak without preparation. You are not aware of the topic. You will be given one topic on the spot and you have to speak. So this is called extempore. So there was a extempore in my organization, and just they were asking about the people just come and participate. So just I also participated in the extempore, and I got asked the topic like the role of the women in the society. So today I'm going to speak, and you are also going to get some ideas like how we can also speak, how we can also participate in the society. So if you are going to participate and there are some people and they are going to ask the question like, okay, so talk about this topic. So what you have to do, first of all, just be confident. You don't have to hesitate at all, just be confident. Okay, and the second thing which I would like to say, like you have to take them as a colleague, as a partner, like okay, yes, they are here to just listen me, and you have to be confident. Then you have to take some pauses. You don't have to be in hurry, like yes, speaking, no. Take pauses, speak sentence, then take pause, then think, then speak. Like suppose if you got the topic, okay, so thank you. Our today's topic is the role of the women in the society. So first of all, today I'm going to talk on this topic. So women are not the part of the society, they are the foundation of the society. So let's talk like women in form of mother, daughter, sister, and wives. So if we talk in the every areas of the women, like first mother, what our mother have done lots of things for us, like she takes care of our health and our food, and they prepare the food for us and everything they did. And now talk about the sister. Like yes, we the boundings in the sister, and we live from the childhood. So we are experiencing lots of things. And the wife, like also she's helping in well-being and every aspects of life, and they are also just doing and working with us, like they are helping to grow our life. Okay, all these things we are getting from the women, and like they are the foundation of the society. If she is good, she is going to teach the characters and morality or everything to the children. They are going to grow, and they are going to just be a better person in the society. So everything depends on the women. If they are educated, they are going to educate their children, and society will be better. So this was the thing. Like you can also talk the role of women in the education, role of women in the corporate, role of women in the business. Everywhere you can talk. Okay, so yes, that was the thing which I have delivered with you all, and thanks for today. So this was the speech which you can give. You can give and you can talk. Okay, and yes, I know. After giving the speech, if you are going on your seat, you will think like, okay, there are lots of points which I can speak, but if you are going to participate, if you are going to talk, this is a good, this is a good thing. Like, you have the courage, you participated. So thanks for today. I hope you got some clarity how you're going to participate, how you're what are the pointers which you have to remember. So thank you. Let's meet tomorrow.